HRWize allows you to set and record development KPI goals for your employees. In this session, we'll look at linked goals, and in a different session, we'll look at individual goals. Before we add a goal to an employee, we'll look at how to create a goal in the goal library. To do this, we must go to Performance, and then Goal Library. Here you can see all goals that has already been set up. You can see that there is a mix of KPI and development categories. Typically, a development goal is subject in nature, to improve a skill, gain more knowledge, or get better at something. Whereas a KPI or key performance indicator will typically be a specifically target-based, such as a sale of 100 units, make 100 calls, and so on. So now we'll click on Add to add a new goal. First, we'll add a name for this goal, add a description if needed. In the goal category, you must select KPI. Since this is a team target for everyone in our sales team, we'll have to choose linked goal type. Next is the goal options with options from 1 to 5, 1 to 10, percentage. Percentage provides us a blank text box in which we can enter a number. And then there's list, which allows you to specify your own option values, which should be entered with a comma between each option, such as gold, silver, and then bronze. And between them, there is a comma. This will then be displayed as a drop-down option list with your choices in the list. But for now, we're going to choose target option. Here you can add a number value. In this instance, the target for the year will be 1.5 million. When you're done, you'll click on Submit. And then you can see that the goal has been successfully added. Going back to our library goals, if we click on the View action right here, we can see that there are no data found. This means that the goal has not yet been applied to any of your employees. To apply this goal to our employees, we must click on Cascade right here. We'll first select the goal we have just created, then select the due date. We'll make this goal public so our sales team can see it. Then from the selection method, we can choose metadata and select between job roles, departments, manager, sites, and so on. Instead though, we'll select employees, in particular Angel Jolita and Charles Chen. Once you're done, you click on Submit, followed by a Cancel. If we now click on the View action to this goal, we can see that it applies to Angel Jolita and Charles Chen. You can go ahead and click on the View action to view this goal, but in this view, it is not possible to update the goal. In here, you can either review it or print it. We can now go to the employees file. For example, in Angel Jolita, and click on Goals, and you will see the link Sales Target that has been added to the list of goals for both of them. If we now go to Angel Jolita's environment, we can go to Self-Service, My Development, and then My Goals. And then here we can see the goal for FY20 Team Sales Target. Scrolling down, we can see the linked individual and company goals. Angel can update and edit her individual goals and company goals as seen from this pencil icon right here, but can only view the linked goals. Now we want to update the status of the linked goal, so we'll return to the admin view. We'll go to Performance and then Goal Library. Click on the Edit action, and here we can update the status of the goal. Then click on Submit to finish. Now the goal has been successfully updated. Then we log in back as Angel Julita and we'll go back to Self-Service, My Development, and then My Goals. And here we can see the FY 2020 Team Sales Target has been updated, as well in the list view. The same also applies if you log out as Angel Julita and log in as Charles Chen again. Logging in as Charles Chen, he can also see the FY20 team sales target, shown here graphically and also listed here. Now in a separate session, we'll look at how to create and apply an individual target.